All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter convener Mahmood Ahmed Saghar has expressed serious concern over the plight of illegally detained Kashmiris in different jails of occupied Kashmir and India. Mahmood Ahmed Saghar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said thousands of Kashmiris, including APHC leaders, activists, youth, ulama, human rights defenders, and journalists, have been put in jails for their political beliefs. Massive slogans against India and in favor of the Kashmir's freedom from Indian illegal occupation reverberated several cities in the UK and Europe on Tuesday as the Kashmiri diaspora and their sympathizers marked India's Independence Day 15th August as Black Day. The demonstration said that India had no right to celebrate freedom while Kashmiris were living under neo-colonial rule by the Indian state. High Court in occupied Kashmir has quashed the illegal detention of 5 individuals booked under the Black Law, the Public Safety Act. The court directed the authorities to release the detainees forthwith. Pakistan's ambassador to the US, Sardar Masood Khan, has said that America can help resolve the dispute of Jammu and Kashmir. Masood Khan, talking to a private news channel, said that Pakistan wanted to hold dialogue with India for resolving all outstanding issues, including the Kashmir dispute. Indian Railway Protection Force Constable Chetan Singh Chaudhary, who gunned down 4 passengers, including 3 Muslims in train, had also threatened a burqa-clad woman passenger and forced her to chant Hindu religious slogan Jai Mata Di at gunpoint. According to Kashmir Media Service, the police said the woman recorded her statement. Family members and relatives of a youth who died under mysterious circumstances staged a protest demonstration and blocked the Srinagar-Jammu highway in the Samba district. The deceased was identified as Amit Chaudhary, a resident of the Samba district. The protesters blocked the highway with the body of the youth and demanded a transparent investigation into his death.